Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. In the last session, we had done the construction of line segment with the help of compass and the construction of perpendicular bisector. I hope you all had understood those things. So today we are going to do the perpendicular or an angle of 90 degree at a point lying on line segment, which means if we have a point on the line segment and we want to draw a perpendicular to it, so how we can construct it? So for that, first of all, what we will do, we will draw a line segment. As this is a line segment AB, and I am marking a point O on the line segment. This point is lying on the line segment. Now I will draw a perpendicular on this point. Perpendicular means the angle of 90 degree. Right, students? So for that, what I will do, I will take the compass. This O will be the center, and with any radius of your choice, I'll mark an arc which will cut A, B at 2 points like this. I got these 2 points. I can name them C, D. You can give any name to these points. Now, what we will do? Again, we got another 2 points, point C and point D, and another line segment CD. So what we will do? We will take these C and D point as centers and radius more than half of CD. So if CD is this, so more than half is this. This is the radius, and we are taking C as the center. And we will put an arc like this from center C and another arc from center D, which will intersect the previous one. This way we get another point P. Now we will join point P and point O. And we can extend it further to get a ray. So if I say this PO is perpendicular to line segment AB, so what does it mean? It means line PO is making an angle of 90 degree with AB line segment. So for verifying this, what we will do, we will take the protractor and we will check the angle which is made on point O. So I am placing my protractor and I am seeing that this is the angle of 90 degree. I hope you all can see. So this is the angle of 90 degree, which shows that this is perpendicular to AB. Now next topic comes a perpendicular to the line segment from a point P which lie outside of line segment. Previously we had done the perpendicular from the point which was on the line segment. Now we are drawing the perpendicular to the line segment from the point which is outside the line segment. So similarly for this also, first of all we will draw a line. AB. Now we have the point lying outside P, and we have to draw perpendicular from this point. So what we will do? We will take P as the center, and with any radius we will mark the arc on AB. You can take any radius of your choice. Now I got another 2 points, X and Y. And this creates a new line segment XY. So, taking X as center and the radius more than half of XY, I will mark another arcs at the bottom of the line segment AB. So I am taking X as the center and the radius more than half of XY and marking arc below the line segment AB. Similarly, I will mark another arc from the center Y and the radius more than half of XY, and this arc will intersect the previous arc and give us a new intersection point, say Q. Now we have 2 points P and Q. We can join them. This made line segment PQ perpendicular to line segment AB. As we had done in the previous one, we can check the angle with the help of protractor. See, this is making an angle of 90 degree. So that means PQ is perpendicular to AB. Whenever any line is making an angle of 90 degree with another line segment, that will be called as perpendicular. I hope these two topics are clear to all of you. Thank you.